Welcome back, everyone, to another exciting episode of Affiliate Profits Insights, your guide to online success. I'm Luther, and this series is dedicated to helping you master the art of affiliate marketing and achieve financial freedom. So, grab a notepad, get comfortable, and let's get started on your journey to online success. Today, we're diving into high-ticket affiliate marketing for beginners. Let's get started. High-ticket affiliate marketing means promoting products with large commissions. Here's how to get started. Choose the right products. Look for high-quality, high-priced items that offer substantial commissions. Join affiliate programs. Sign up for reputable programs like ClickBank or ShareASale. Create a strong online presence. Build a professional website or blog to promote your affiliate products. Leverage content marketing. Use SEO, blog posts, videos, and social media to attract and engage your audience. Utilize email marketing. Build a subscriber list and send targeted emails with your affiliate links. Check out the full article on our website for more detailed steps. That's a quick guide to high-ticket affiliate marketing for beginners. In case English is not your native language, feel free to change our website language to your preference. Be sure to click and check out our top recommended method for achieving consistent daily earnings with zero investment. Watch the free video and get started today. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Thanks for watching.